Okay everyone, I'm here with my 2006 Nissan Titan XE 4x4 and I'm changing out the spark plugs, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out with what I'm trying to do here. And so here you go. This will work for your Armada and Navaro, Nissan Titan 2004 to 2015, any that have the 5.6 liter V8 from Nissan will look pretty much the same as this. So when you pop the hood, you'll see your valve cover here, and I've already taken one of the coil packs out, but your coil pack looks like this. Maybe you can see that. It's hooked into the valve cover there with a 10mm bolt. It's just barely hand tight, a couple pounds of pressure. And what you're going to do is unscrew your valve cover, or rather unscrew your coil pack from the valve cover, and slowly wiggle it loose, and it will look like this. The coil pack is seated on the spark plug. Once you have all of those out, some are a little tricky to get to. You have to use some extensions to get back there. Then you'll take an extension, and I have a 3/8 socket, and somewhere here I have here we go, a spark plug socket. And that will fit on the back of the spark plug with a little rubber boot that you can see inside there. And you'll turn your spark plug out, and as you lift it, the boot will hold on to your spark plug so it slides out of that channel and doesn't get stuck. Yours should come out pretty easily, but if they don't, I don't recommend cranking on them too hard. Be careful. If you've been around the block a little, you know that breaking a spark plug in the block is really a nightmare scenario. So carefully loosen that out, and you will see your spark plug. I use NGK Iridium. This is LFR 5A IX11, and I did those at 100,000 miles. These are actually the new ones. I'm just making this video to show you guys how it's done. So once you back the spark plug out, be careful with that tube there. Don't let a bunch of crap fall in there, because that goes straight to your cylinder, and if you get a bunch of garbage in there, it's going to scratch your cylinder walls and ruin your motor effectively. So once you've done that, you take your new spark plug and you take some dielectric grease here and grease up the back of the spark plug here, and then put it back into your socket and put it down in that hole and screw it in. You don't need to Donkey Kong this on. NGK does not recommend using anti-seize on the threads. If you do put some anti-seize on, be careful with your torque. It's easy to over torque if you have a grease on the threads. So you're going to put your spark plug in there, and then I like to put a little grease in the coil pack boot as well. Just take a Q-tip and rub dielectric grease up in there, and then slide it back down in there. Make sure it's hooked on nice and again good to the spark plug, and then affix your 10mm bolt to hold your coil pack back in. And if you repeat that for all 8 cylinders, when you're all done, you will have a new set of spark plugs. It should last you another 100,000 miles. So there you go. If that was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have questions, please ask in the comments. I'm always happy to help you out. And most of all, don't pay a dealer for this. It's really an easy job. Doing your driveway will only take you an hour. And if you have questions, go ahead and ask me. I always answer. Thank you.